Hello and welcome to Gunnar Weiskamp's Web Development. Today we're doing Lesson 15, SQL Server Unique Constraints we're looking at. So in this lesson we're going to find out how and what unique constraints are in SQL Server. I'm using Microsoft SQL Server 2014, but you can just about use any old version. Let's dive into SQL Server then. Right, so I've got three windows opened up here. The first one we're going to look at is we're going to actually create the table for this constraint, and then we're going to insert some information onto it without this unique constraint and see the results of that. Then we're going to delete the table, recreate it, and add the constraint and see the differences. The differences will be pretty self-evident, I believe. So here's our table. It's just going to be a G-ordered data table. It's got 3 keys in it, or 3 fields. One being the ID, and one being the item name, the products that's going to be on that table, the item name, and one being the price field. The rest of this code is adding a primary key for the table. So let's execute this. There we go, all done. So now, if we move over a bit, and if we refresh this, we've put this table on our employee information database. We can see now that we've got this G-ordered data table. Now we're simply going to do a simple insert on this table now. We've got 2 inserts here. Both are for an item name, which is going to be book, but they have different prices. So this item name is going to be 12, and this item name is going to be $13. So let's just execute that. Now obviously, if we now get that information from that table, we've got those 2 records. It goes without saying. Yeah, it goes without saying. So there we have our 2 books. Now, there could be an easy example where in this item name, you could actually call that product name. You want a unique product name. So this sort of data entry process would be erroneous or not correct, because maybe call it product name would be better. You don't really want 2 product names, which is book. You only want 1. So that is where unique constraints come in. So I'm going to delete this table now, and we will do the process again. Come on. Oh, gotta love the speed of my computer. Okay, this time. Finally. Right, there we go. We're deleting it. Right, so let's recreate this table now. Execute that. Right, so now we've got that table back. Refresh. Select. Nothing on the table there. Now here is our unique constraint code. It's pretty straightforward. All you do is say alter the table that you want to alter, which is in this case this. Is this G-order data table, and then you say add constraints, and then you give the constraint a name. Now it is a good idea to sort of abbreviate it, maybe with UQ to mean unique, and then you say the actual table that you're putting the constraint on, and then the actual field that the constraint is going to be on as well. And in here we're using the, oops, there we go again. We use the unique keyword, and here is the field we're actually putting the constraint on, which is this item name field here. So if we run that, okay, so that worked. Now let's go and try to insert two records. There we go. Okay, what have we got here? If we pull that over, let's see our error message. Violation of unique key constraint. This guy here cannot insert duplicate key in object. So in other words, what did we insert in here? We inserted 1, but this guy here did not get inserted because this book is now no longer unique. So we have greater database integrity. Our information set can be much more qualified and just give us much more information. In this case, yeah, we don't actually want book, so you put telephone in here, and then you can insert that. So this process is about making sure the item name, or maybe I should call it a product name, are always unique. And now if we try to insert that again, we can see this, we get this violation of unique constraint coming up. So as you can see, unique constraints are good if you want to make sure that the field and the information you're putting on has always got to be unique. Just like maybe an email field or something like that, so you won't have more than one email in a certain field, because emails are obviously meant to be unique as well. Cool. Okay, so that was unique constraints. Please subscribe to my channel, or feel free to visit my website there, and I hope this has been of some help for you guys. Thank you. Bye.